itel S25 Ultra is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a surprising array of features. Let's delve deeper into its pros, cons, and special features. For pros: impressive display. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth visuals. Decent performance. Powered by the Unisoc T620 chipset, it handles daily tasks efficiently, including browsing, social media, and light gaming. Long battery life. The 5,000 mAh battery ensures extended usage, keeping you connected throughout the day. Modern design. The sleek design, with a premium look and feel, adds to its appeal. Affordable price. The S25 Ultra offers excellent value for money, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Android 14. It comes with the latest Android version, ensuring a smooth and feature-rich user experience. In-display fingerprint sensor provides convenient and secure biometric authentication. For cons: limited camera performance. While the 50MP main camera is decent in good lighting conditions, it struggles in low-light environments. Mono speaker. The single-speaker setup may not provide the best audio experience. Plastic build. While the design is premium-looking, the plastic build might not feel as sturdy as metal or glass. For special features: 120Hz refresh rate offers smoother scrolling and animations, enhancing the overall user experience. AMOLED display delivers superior color accuracy and contrast, making visuals more immersive. Android 14 provides access to the latest features and security updates. In-display fingerprint sensor offers a sleek and modern way to unlock your device. Fast charging supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up your battery. Overall, the itel S25 Ultra is a compelling option for budget-conscious consumers who prioritize a good display, decent performance, and long battery life. While it may have limitations in certain areas, it offers a lot for its price point. That's all for this amazing phone. Just wanted to say thanks for following along. Your support means the world. Keep the conversation going, stay connected, and leave a comment. Like, and if it's okay for you, please consider subscribing.